Is yours check engine light on, and you found this code P0116, your go-to place for car diagnostics and repair tips? If you're seeing the engine code P0116, stick around. We're breaking down what it means, why it happens, and how to fix it. Let's get started. The P0116 code stands for Engine Coolant Temperature Sensor Range Performance Problem. In plain English, your car's computer thinks the coolant temperature sensor isn't giving reliable data. This sensor tells your engine how hot it's running. Super important for fuel mixture, emissions, and engine performance. When the sensor sends a signal that doesn't match expected values, your ECU throws the P0116 code. Common causes of P0116. Number 1. Faulty coolant temperature sensor. Over time, the ECT sensor can degrade or fail, leading to inaccurate readings. A defective sensor may send incorrect temperature data to the ECM, causing poor engine performance and triggering the P0116 code. Visually inspect the sensor for physical damage or corrosion. Use a multimeter to measure the resistance of the sensor at various temperatures to ensure it's within spec. Number 2. Corroded or damaged. Wiring, connectors. Wiring to the ECT sensor may become frayed, corroded, or broken. Water intrusion or road salt can also corrode connectors, leading to poor signal transmission. Intermittent signals or short circuits can confuse the ECM and generate a fault code. Examine the wiring harness and connectors for damage, corrosion, or looseness. Repair or replace damaged sections and clean corroded connectors with electrical contact cleaner. Number 3. Low coolant levels. When the coolant level is too low, the ECT sensor may not be fully immersed, which can lead to erratic readings. Air pockets in the cooling system can also interfere with accurate temperature measurement. Number 4. Stuck open thermostat. A thermostat that is stuck open will prevent the engine from reaching optimal operating temperature. This leads to longer warm-up times and fluctuating or consistently low temperature readings, which can trigger the P0116 code. If the engine takes too long to warm up or never reaches proper temperature, test the thermostat. After repairs, clear the fault codes using the OBD2 scanner, test drive the vehicle, and monitor the live ECT data to ensure the issue is resolved. That's for today, and thanks for watching.